In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of a Google form in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to duplicate a form for a new project or simply want to create a template for future use, this guide has got you covered. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Sites. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. This is an essential step because you need access to your Google Forms. If you're not signed in yet, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be prompted to enter your email address followed by your password. Once you've filled in your credentials, click on Sign In to access your Google dashboard. Now, find your way to your Google form. You can do this by navigating through your Google Drive or simply by going to the Google Forms website directly. Once you've located the form you wish to copy, it's time to look for the 3 vertical dots. These dots are typically found at the top right corner of the form's interface. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Make a Copy. Click on this to start the process of creating a duplicate of your Google form. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to name your new form. This is your chance to give your copied form a distinctive name that reflects its purpose or the project it's associated with. Take a moment to think of a meaningful name because this will help you stay organized, especially if you're dealing with multiple forms. After naming your new form, go ahead and click on Make a Copy once again, but this time it's located within the dialog box. By doing so, you're instructing Google to create an exact duplicate of the original form, including any questions, settings, and themes you've previously set up. And voila! In just a few simple steps, you've successfully created a copy of your Google form, ready for any edits or adjustments you wish to make. Creating a copy of a Google form is a fantastic way to save time, especially when you need forms that have similar structures but serve different purposes. By following the steps we've covered today, you can easily duplicate any form, allowing you to work more efficiently and effectively on your projects. And there you have it. You now know how to create a copy of a Google form in no time. Whether you're conducting surveys, quizzes, or gathering information for different segments of your project, this skill is sure to come in handy. Remember, staying organized and understanding the tools at your disposal can significantly enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides and tutorials.